Okay, class, so we did just finish reading 12 Snails to One Lizard. And so does everyone have the little snails that I passed them? Okay, everyone has them? So just as Milo Beaver needed to put the snails on the log in order to get the correct measurement of the log, we're going to do the same with this box over here. Okay, can anyone remember what or how Milo Beaver needed to put the snails in order to get the correct measurement? Okay, and so then student responses right here would be, oh, he had to put the snails end to end, or he had to put them head to feeler, or he had to put them right next to each other. The words we'll probably be looking for would be end to end, and so as soon as I hear a student say something similar to that, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in and say, okay, students, so yes, we want them to be end to end, and so that would mean that there should be no gaps, and we must also not forget that they cannot be on top of each other, because then we will not get the correct measurement that we want. So the correct word for that term that we just said would be no overlays. So we're going to put our snails with no gaps and with no overlays. So they're going to be side to side just like this. Okay? So if everyone can just count with me, we're going to begin counting our snails on our box. Okay, here we go. We have one snail right here. Oh, my snail won't stay on. Okay, we have 2 snails. Okay, and now we're on 3 snails. Okay, 4 snails. 5 snails. Okay, and we would go on and keep doing that until our snails would reach the end. And so I measured this already. This is about 8 snails long. And that would be how we would model how to teach the strategy on how to measure our items or objects later in the lesson end to end with no gaps.